Welcome back to my channel Travel and Life with Rose. In this video, you are going to explore Ubud Center with us. So our hotel, they dropped us with a free coach to this lovely place, a complex, a museum complex. And from here, we are going to walk and explore the Ubud Center. Ubud Center also filled with beautiful boutique shops, cafes, yoga studios, and day spas. And yes, if you go all the way down, it leads you to the sacred monkey forest as well. We didn't go over there. Because we had a very bad episode with monkeys in Uluwatu. So, yeah, we refrained from going there. The first thing we want to do is go check out Ubud Palace, and that's where we are heading. Okay. So this is Ubud Water Palace, and what you can see from here is almost just this much, and that's why we didn't find it interesting to just go around here spending on ticket and just go right around here and come back. So that's it. That was Ubud Palace. We are walking ahead, and welcome to Ubud Art Market. Ubud Art Market. We just came inside. Just walking in the market a little bit. So we were in the art market. This is Pura Desa temple. That's the temple. We cannot go inside because it's a place for locals to pray. And you can see I bought this from the art market. These guys also have huge halls like these for their programs. What is that? Is that a police station? That's the Ubud Palace right there. So we are going to cross the road and go over there. So I came inside one of these buildings. They have it's a hotel building inside, and it's like their construction site, and they have also made kind of information something right over here, so you can have ATV and bike tours or Mount Batur sunrise itineraries and everything over here, so you can book them from here as well. And look at that door. It's so interesting. It looks very, very, very nice to me. The color, the golden and the brown, whatever they have, the details in their carvings, it's very intriguing. So I was very interested to see how the interior of Balinese houses they look like. Somehow while walking, I found this place, and I just thought of checking it out. When I went inside, I found out that it's a guest house, and they were letting people see around. The owner's house is right there. That's the owner's house. What a lovely wooden carving. Looks like a king's palace. Can I go inside here? Can I go inside here? So every Balinese house, traditional houses are like these. They have small narrow door, and then they have a temple right here in the middle, and then they have small rooms like these. So one will be for the kitchen, or one will be for something else. But this one is just to give you an idea, because this is a guest house. They have, as he said, it's a 6-room guest house, and outside it's really noisy, but inside I can't hear anything. It's so peaceful here. It's so peaceful. I don't know, some kind of temple or shrine in the middle. They have a bed here. Not a bed, but something where they can sit, and they can make the offerings on these one of these baskets. They make offerings and cover it with another fancy baskets. They sit and do these things in groups, and they have more shrines that side. So that's the temple, the big one for the hotel. So as one of our friend explained it to us, that these are the shrines, and they don't keep gods inside. There is no god statue like how we have in India. It's just a belief for them that every shrine means something. So they must be knowing there is some kind of sign up there on the top there. What does it say? No idea. Same goes with this one. It has some sign. I'm sure I can't read it, but it must be saying something about this shrine. What are the beliefs for this one? So this is how it is. Their house, every traditional Balinese house looks like. That was the side we came from, and we went that side. We saw Ubud Palace and came back here. This is the Ubud Palace. You can buy a ticket for the dance if you want. It's for 100,000 IDR. And there is, it's all souvenir shop, very big one inside. And the other side is also shops and restaurants. If you want to walk that side, you can walk that side. We didn't have lunch over here right now, but we came here in the evening for dinner at Ubud restaurant, and it was amazing. The food was delicious. We had amazing time over there. And don't miss out on a Balinese massage while you are here for as low as 700 to 1000 rupees, or you can say $10 to $15. So that's Ubud Center, laid back, colorful, and full of soul. Whether you are here for a day or a week, you will leave with your heart and shopping bags full. In the afternoon, we had a plan to go and have our lunch with amazing view, and that place was the Sayan House.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Play the video.
So the Sayan house was close to our hotel, and it had one of the amazing views with amazing food and services. In the evening also you can go here. The bar is open and the food is really delicious.